Good afternoon, friends. Myself Jansar Kishore from Naukar Institute. Today I will teach you English Grammar in Standard 10, Part 23. This is a direct indirect speech. In last video, I give you two example, two paragraph. Now again, I'll give you some more examples. The next paragraph, doctor say, how are you now? Patient say, I feel much better now. Doctor say, continue the same medicine. Patient say, thank you, doctor. Okay. So here conversation between doctor and patient. So first sentence is spoken by doctor. So doctor asked, because this is an interrogative sentence. Doctor asked a patient if, sorry, this question is how, WH question. So how he was then. In place of now we have to put then. The patient replied that he felt much better than. Doctor advised to continue the same medicine. The patient thanked him, or you can write down doctor. Okay friends, so I repeat the answer. Doctor asked the patient how he was then. The patient replied that he felt much better then. Doctor advised to continue the same medicine. Patient thanked the doctor, or patient thanked him. Okay friends, so this is your first paragraph is completed. Now I will go for another. See the next paragraph. It is time for you to take your lunch, said mother. Please let me finish my experiment first, said Paresh. When will you finish it? Oh mummy, how impatient you are. Okay, so here we can see there is a conversation between mother and Paresh. The first sentence spoken by mother. The mother, that is a assertive sentence. Second is imperative. Third is interrogative, and last is exclamatory. So first sentence, mother told Paresh that it was time for him to take his lunch. Okay, now Paresh requested, because there is a please given in the sentence, so Paresh requested that, Paresh requested to let him finish his experiment first. Okay, now mother asked, the mother asked when he would finish it. Okay, so Paresh exclaimed with sorrow. That she was very impatient. Okay, friends. So I repeat the paragraph. Mother told Paresh that it was time for him to take his lunch. Paresh requested to let him finish his experiment first. The mother asked when he would finish it. Paresh exclaimed with sorrow that she was very impatient. Okay, so here your second paragraph is also completed. Now I will give you some paragraph, that is your homework, okay, in PDF file. So you have to understand, you have to repeat this video 2 to 3 times and understand in proper way, and then you have to try and you have to write down the homework which will give you in PDF. Once again I'll give you that your homework is, I'll give you some paragraphs in a homework. You have to do that paragraph. Okay friends, so I hope you will understand the homework, and whatever I explain you in this lesson, whatever I explain in this lecture, so you will do your homework in proper way. Once again, the PDF which I'll give you, you have to do the homework from them. Thank you very much.